Hello kids, welcome to the class. Now children, in the last video we have learned single curve stroke. Today in this video we are going to learn double curve stroke. Last video we have learned single curve stroke and today we are going to learn double curve stroke. Okay, so let's learn how to write. For double curve stroke, start from the red line. Okay, we'll start from the red line. Now from red line, make a curve and touch the first blue line. Okay, and again make another curve and come down, touch the second blue line. This is called double curve stroke. Now after writing first, you need to give some space, and then again from the red line make a curve, touch the first blue line, and then make another curve, okay, and touch the second blue line. This is called your double curve stroke. Now leave some space, one curve and two curve. Okay, now again come down just one below the other, one curve and two curve. Okay, leave some space from red line, start from the red line, come down, touch the first blue line, and again make another curve. Okay, from first blue line to second blue line, like this. Now leave some space, one curve, two curve. Okay, and is this correct? Is this correct? No, this is wrong, because teacher has written wrong. See, the lines are, the curves are coming beyond the first blue line. Okay, so this is wrong. And if you write like this is also wrong. Okay, because the curve is not touching the second blue line. You have to write properly by touching the proper lines. Okay, so write properly from red line to first blue line, first curve, then make another curve from first blue line to second blue line, like this. Okay, so write properly. Now in the book, when you are writing, you have to write by giving one finger gap, and then in between two curves you need to give three finger gap. Always remember. Okay children, while writing in the book you need to give one finger gap in the starting, and then in between two curves you need to give three finger gaps. Okay, so till then, bye bye, take care.